How to make a tier list on your mobile phone. Step 1. Download the app. Search for the TierUp app in your browser, Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Alternatively, you can click on the installation links provided in the description. Then make sure you are downloading the correct app as displayed on the screen. Step 2. Use the app. Open the TierUp application, then create a new tier list. As an example, I will be ranking popular junk food. Let's select images of the food items. Let's wait and the images are added. Before we start ranking them, let's decide the name of the tiers. We will need S tier, cool tier, mid tier, U tier and an I don't know tier. Now back to the boring stuff, listen the jargon carefully. To delete the bottommost tier, tap the minus button. As you can see, the D tier has been removed. Or you can select any tier and click delete at the bottom. To create a new tier, tap the plus button and give it a name and color. I will be creating the U tier with green color. Let's add it. Furthermore, you can edit any tier as well and give it a new name or a new color. B tier can be mid, A tier can be cool, and let's make a new tier which will be I don't know tier for the food items I have not tasted yet. And it's done. The preparation is over. Now we can start ranking the food items one by one. Drinking water. Well, it is cool, so let's put it right here. But it's not a food item, so we will just remove the image. Donuts are mid. Noodles are cool. Momos or dumplings are cool as well. Sandwiches, same tier. Fried chicken is finger licking good, so I will put it in the S tier. Burgers are cool as well, though I would like to put it in the 0th index or the first position, so I will just horizontally drag it. By the way, you can also sort the tiers by doing the long press and then dragging them vertically, just like this. Tacos are U. I don't like them at all. It's like eating a tasteless filling wrapped inside a papad. By the way, for those people who don't know what a papad is, it's basically a thin crisp Indian bread. Beef I have not tasted yet, so the I don't know tier will be perfect fit for it. Pizza is definitely S tier, doesn't even need an explanation. French fries are U. I don't know why do they even exist. Pasta is cool, so cool tier. And there we go, our tier list is ready. Next we will save our tier list. All you have to do is tap on the save button or the download button, then select the background, style, quality and size. I will go with the default configuration and then press the save button. Let's wait, and the image is saved successfully. Similarly, you can share the tier list as well, and the steps will be same. Let's check our Photos app to see if the image is actually saved or not. There we go. This is our tier list and it's perfect. So it was pretty easy to create a tier list. And do check out our app TierUp from Play Store or App Store. Have fun. See ya.